Dolly, and I'm a senior director with Beautycounter. I'm also a wife and a mother of twins who are 10 years old, a boy and a girl, and I also have a full-time career in advertising sales. I started with Beautycounter in June of 2014, and what led me to Beautycounter was the fact that in 2009 I had a melanoma. I found out on a Monday and I was in surgery on Friday. They removed this entire portion of my upper right forehead and the 2 lymph nodes in front of my ear. Fast forward a few years later, and I realized that one of the products that I had been using had an ingredient actually linked to cancer. So to realize that I was all of a sudden rubbing a product right on the spot where I had a melanoma made me, scared and frustrated and mad, to be quite honest. I have a friend who had begun educating me on ingredient safety and about Beautycounter, and once I began to learn that information, I really couldn't unlearn it. So I found myself educating others and decided to join forces with Beautycounter and be a part of the solution. Beautycounter has absolutely changed my life. One of the things that I love about Beautycounter is that it's a B Corp, and a B Corp has to be actually putting their money where their mouth is and creating positive social change. So not only is Beautycounter providing safe products, the safest that we believe in the marketplace in the United States right now, but they're also going to Washington and fighting for tougher regulation. This is absolutely a movement. This is our mission is to get safe products into the hands of everyone. And so not only is that important for us as women who tend to use more products and make the purchasing decisions for our households, but it's also a human health movement for men, our children, and we're working toward a future where our children don't have to read the back of labels and look out for toxic ingredients in their products. I would love for people to get involved with this movement in any way that feels comfortable for them. That could be shopping simply as a client from my website. It could be contacting me with ingredient questions. It could be hosting a social, which is just an educational hour where we educate your friends and network about these issues and about how to make safer, better choices. It could also mean becoming a member, which is essentially our loyalty rewards program. Or it could be the most exciting way to become a consultant and help us actually create change.